Hello, let us understand how to solve a problem in JavaScript of DSC version. Now we are going to solve a problem which is Memoize. Now we are here to understand how to memoize a function in JavaScript. In this we are getting a function as an argument. This function will perform some computational operation and it will return that calculated value. Here fn may be calculate the sum operation, okay, or a factorial operation, or maybe it calculate Fibonacci operation, okay. In this we are getting some kind of input, such as if we are getting 2 and 2, the fn operation will be return 4, such as 2 plus 2 equal to 4, and if we get again 2 and 2, then we need not to call fn function to perform 2 and 2 operation. Why? Because we need to catch 2 and 2 value, the output value of the 2 and 2, that is 4, and if value has been cached and has been seen previously, then we need not to return a function fn, return the value of the calculated value. We need to just return the cached value, okay. For example, let us understand this. If we get 2, the factorial of the 2 will be 2. If we get 3, the factorial of the 3 will be 6. If we get again 2, then we will not call the fn function to calculate the factorial of 2. Why? We have already calculated the factorial of 2 and we need to catch the output value of factorial of 2, okay. And if we get empty array, then we need to return how many times we have called the fn function, this fn function, to perform specific operations. How many times we have performed the specific operation? We have called the fn function to calculate value of factorial of 2, and again we have called the function fn to calculate the value of factorial of 2. And if we get again 2, then we need not to call this fn function to calculate the factorial of 2, because we have already calculated the value of 2. And if we get again 3, then we need not to call the factorial of 3. Why? We have already calculated the value of factorial 3. In this way we need to solve this problem. Here we are going to solve this problem. In this we need to ensure that here we have to maintain two things. One is count how many times we have called the function fn, and second one is maintain an object to catch the value which has been calculated by the fn function, okay. Let us solve this problem. Let call count 0 and let obj, एक सिंपल ऑब्जेक्ट बना लेते हैं जो वैल्यू को कैच करेगा. हियर वी नीड टू रिटर्न अ फंक्शन, रिटर्न फंक्शन. This function may get value in the form of array. The size of the array may be 1, 2, 3. Therefore, we need to spread these argument. Therefore, we are using dot, which is also known as spread operator, okay. And first of all, to catch the value, we need to make a unique key, because object store the value in the form of key and value pair, and the key is unique in object and value may be unique or same. So we need to make unique key. For that we can use JSON stringify to make unique key. Let us see how we can do that. Let key is equal to JSON dot stringify argument. Okay, this is our key which will be unique every time, and now apply conditions. If argument dot length equal to 0, it's mean LeetCode want to know how many times you have called this fn function to calculate the passed argument. Okay, then simply we need to return the call count, return count. Okay, and second condition may be checking if this object contains the key. Yes, if this object contains the key, then we need to return the object keys, that keys value, and if the object does not contains that key, then we need to call the fn function and the return. Then we need to return this value, and we also need to memorize the value, calculated value. Okay, let us first check whether the object contains the argument or not. I mean argument mean key or not. If object of key equal to undefined. Okay, if it is undefined, then we need to call the function and calculate the value. Let value is equal to fn argument. Okay, and this value has been calculated. Now we need to cache this value. Okay, now we can do that in this way. Object of key equal to val. Now we need to return the calculated value. How we can do that? Return val. Okay, if and another condition is if this is not undefined, whether it's mean value has been already, the passed argument has been already seen by the fn function, then we need to just return this value from the object. How we can do that? Return object of key. This is enough, and now we need to run. Wrong answer. Not a number, not a number, not a number. Okay, yes. If we have called the fn function, then we need to increase the call count value. Okay, call count plus. Now it should work. Not, it is not working. Not a number, not a number, not a number, again and again and again. Okay, one time we need to check call count object argument json dot stringify ऑब्जेक्ट हमारा किया गया argument dot length equal to 0 रिटर्न कॉल काउंट हम रिटर्न कर देंगे. अगर हमारा ये अनडिफाइंड है then sorry, we need to use thread operator. Okay, now it should work. Yeah, it is working now. Now we are going to submit this problem. And our this approach is correct. Thank you very much for seeing this video.